And we're back, guys. Alright, so this is going to be a cold start. It's about 38. It is 4:48 in the morning. And no, we're not going to be doing no obnoxious revving today, because it's 4 in the morning. Almost 5 o'clock in the morning. Let people sleeping, you know. Not everyone's early bird like us workers, you know. So let's get her done. Frost on the window. Keys are in here. Cold. Very cold. So, to those of you who've been watching for the last 2 parts, I'm in the process of cleaning out my radiator. I have some Blue Devil in my radiator right now. I'm going to give it a couple pumps. I'm not going to let it crank today. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get it started so I can get going. You know what I mean? And in the instructions it says to drive around with my heater on for a while. So I'm going to go out and drive the fuck out of it. So, here we go. Get out of here before I wake everyone up, piss people off. My help if the door was shut. So I'm gonna go out and probably drive about 40 miles. So have a good one, guys. Come back later when I'm actually changing the radiator.